Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat. That's really cool. So and we are hitting a hat trick now because this is the third purple casting which we are unboxing this week. So I mean consecutive days I'm talking about. So this is from 2023 and I bought it for 149 back then. So there was one more Hellcat, I think SRD Hellcat if I'm not wrong. So people went nuts on that one. I mean, it was released during 2024 in black color with that Hellcat logo on the side. So that was also a really nice casting. I was really hoping they would release that same casting in this particular color, so it would look really beautiful. Okay, so let's open this one now. Okay, so here is the card art. The card art looks really good. Okay, so here is the casting itself. Okay, that actually looks so beautiful. I mean, again, once again, the purple color looks really beautiful and it does have some scratches on the roof here. And that is specific to mine, maybe not for everyone. So don't worry on that. And it has this shark fin antenna here. Nice detailing there. And you can see the hood details here. It is actually a hole and you can see the plastic inside that actually connects with the interior. Okay, so they do have this headlight details here, but it is not painted on, it is just embossed. And it has grill details here on both the metal part and also the plastic part. Okay, so it doesn't have any tail light detail either. Okay, it's too bad. Okay, but it does have good interior detailing to it. And the steering wheel looks like a block, but still the rest of the things looks really good. So I'm good with it. So the paint job itself is really nice and it is not glittery, but it looks really beautiful. Like again, mosaic like painting, I can say. So the wheels on this one, okay, at least they changed it for this one and it looks really good. Specifically with this golden trim here, and that matches with this livery here. That looks really good. Even the Hellcat logo here, that looks really beautiful. Okay, the purple with golden touch, it actually looks really beautiful. So okay, the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic, chassis has some detailing to it. It does have the exhaust detailing here, you can see. Okay, so it has this white body kit that looks really awesome. Okay, including the spoiler, this body is fully metal. I mean, this is molded to the body. The spoiler is molded with this body actually. That's not a separate piece. Let's weigh this casting. 30 grams. Wow, 38 grams. That is, it has some serious weight to it. I was not expecting that. I'm hoping that this would roll really well in this track. Let's see. Okay. Let me try again. I don't know why these cars are getting stuck in the middle. Okay, let's try once again. Okay, again. No, it is just getting stuck in the middle. So see, this track doesn't have any latches in the middle. So usually most of the Hot Wheel tracks, has some kind of circle, a latch, but this one has the latch on the bottom side. So this is a different one. This is supposed to be, launch the car in the air, so this doesn't have, to pick up the speed, they didn't add it here. So okay, fine. I'm not going to play with it, but so if rolling is something specific for, like it's mandatory for you, this doesn't actually do the trick on this particular track. I mean, the official track. Maybe if you are using a wider track, with no ridges in between, something like that, maybe it would perform well. Okay, let's rate this casting now. So I'm just taking zero point 0.5 out of 10. Again, rolling aspect. See, Hotwheels are supposed to roll. Okay, 9 out of 10 because it didn't even cross the halfway mark. So 9 out of 10. 0.5 for the rolling, 0.5 for the headlight and tail light detailing. I mean, which is not there actually. So I'm taking that out. So 9 out of 10. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.